Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the distance between line in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then you have to open your Google document. Then firstly select the text and go to the line and paragraph spacing menu. Now click the line and paragraph spacing menu. Now here you can see here a single, 1.15, 1.5, double. Now add a spacing before paragraph, many. Now I am click double. Then you can see I do this. Change the distance between line in Google Docs. Now here you can see change the line distance between lines in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.